For the challenges that we are facing as a society, private equity is the most strategic industry that we have in Europe. My name is Francisco Velázquez. I am the chairman and managing partner of a firm called Axon Partners Group. We are a growth technology investment specialist operating from Spain, but with a global reach. Footprint in Europe, Latin America, Middle East and Asia. So I started as an engineer in the deep tech technology space, in the aerospace industry back in 1997. But I figured out that I wanted to do something else more related to the investment and the technology in the sense of the strategic part of it rather than the technical part of it. And that's the reason why I started Axon in 2006. Private equity has been having a hard time in the last 3 years, especially since 2021. But the reality is that the returns that the private equity is bringing compared to any other asset class, and it doesn't matter if we are talking about buyouts or venture capital, are much higher than any public market or any other asset. For the challenges that we are facing as a society, private equity is the most strategic industry that we have in Europe. Being a listed company would enhance our position with new investors, especially institutional investors, and at the same time it could bring additional instruments like shares for the partners to grow within the company. Being listed has brings a lot of value to GPs and to investors. Unfortunately, and this has been well studied in the listed private equity roundtable where I participate with Invest Europe, this is not really valued today from the market. I mean, our recent studies say that there is a 39 to 45% uplift between the real value of the assets listed in private equity and the value that is marked to market in the stock exchange. That means that there is a huge amount of arbitrage to be made today with the valuations. Having more people being listed, bringing this standard to the industry is going to bring as well new shareholders to the listed companies and will probably bring the valuations closer to the reality. And this is something that should happen sooner or later.